Priyanka, welcome back to my channel, and again today I'm back with a street shopping video, and this time it's a challenge video under 500. And I already did a KPHB street shopping video on my channel, which actually a lot of you guys really like. So if any of you guys missed that, do check it out. And last time there's so many questions about the place. So this is in the same lane as KLN Shopping Mall or Vigneshwara Silk, so you can look them up on Google Maps, look for KLN, and this is that lane. So it is the service road on KPHB, and this is opposite JNTU's Outgate. I hope that cleared out the questions on the location. Anyway, I'll leave like a Google Maps link of one of these malls, like KLN Mall probably, so you can find the place easily. So as you saw some clips here, this entire stretch has some amazing stores. There's a lot of street vendors here, and you can find accessories, some kurtas, clothing, like dupattas, and few stalls here and there even have dress materials, and there's one or two stalls which have ready-made blouses, which are actually quite good. And I think some other stalls have some footwear and even 1-gram jewelry, which you have to dig up a little bit to find some really good pieces, but they do have like good ones. In fact, I got one from my last video, and I think this is one of the best places in Hyderabad to find accessories. Sometimes I even find better ones compared to Shilparamam over here. Shilparamam definitely is one of the best places, and even this place has really good collection. The good thing is that even the price point actually works out quite well, and you can bargain also quite a bit. Walk around a little bit to see which store has like better collection or which store has some unique pieces, and then most of the stores have repetitive ones, so you can also see which store is, you know, more bargainable and all that. So that was the overall picture of what you can find here. Now coming to what I actually got. So before we get started, I just wanted to quickly tell you guys thank you so much for all the positive comments on my Women's Day video. If you haven't watched it, please do go watch it. I would love for you guys to see, and it means so much to me, and I did put in a lot of effort in this one. And yeah, for everyone who's watched it and left comments, thank you so much. It means so much to me, and this is the first time that I've shared that story here on my channel. I've spoken about it on public platforms, but this is the first time that I've spoken about it on my channel, so it would mean a lot to me if you go watch it. And a lot of you guys ask me how I stay positive, how I stay motivated, how I manage to do YouTube work and all those things. I think you will find your answer there. Go watch it. And now I'll show you guys what I got. So I got 4 pieces of accessories. Now I know if I would have gotten 5 pieces, I could have said 5 for 500, and that would have made a really nice title also, but that did not happen. So in one particular store I picked up 3 things, so I'll just show you guys and then tell you the price together. So this is the first one. This is a very beautiful coin neck piece. I really like such accessories for Indian wear, kurtas, or even the dress that I'm wearing right now. Really beautiful, and this one is like in the copper goldish color, and they're available in silver too. I do have a lot of silver neck pieces, so I got this one, and I think they quoted around 400 or a little bit more for this. And then finally I think we got it for 200 rupees. I did ask for 150, but yeah, finally ended up paying 200 for this. And it's such a beautiful neck piece, you guys. The detailing is very nice, and the quality is also really good. I did look for such pieces near Nampally exhibition, but I did not find something in this quality, so I'm alright with paying 200 for this. So the next pair of accessory is this really pretty earrings, and these sort of look like a model which you would see in silver jewelry usually. So they have these really beautiful stones and then pearl hangings. They look so pretty, and again perfect for Indian wear and smaller functions. I in fact wear such things for a lot of mehndi functions and even sangeet functions. Recently I had like a function to attend. I was wearing my kalamkari blue long maxi dress, which was on my Instagram, if any of you guys remember. So I wore it with that. I'll try to put a picture here, and it went so perfectly well. And of course you can wear it with like off-white dresses or anything in green or any contrast colors. So I think I paid 150 for this. I think they quoted around 200 or so, or 250 maybe, but I paid 150 finally for this. And I think that's such a good price because they're beautiful. When I was wearing them the other day, I dropped it and the stone fell off. I've saved the stone. I think at least. I think I did. So I'm gonna stick that, but I dropped it like really badly, but otherwise the quality is actually quite good. And the last piece which I got in the same store are some stud earrings, and these are the sorts which I don't generally wear, but I think they would look quite nice when worn, especially if you put on like a top bun. And they have these mirrors, and they're quite expensive on Instagram stores. So I think we got these for like 50 rupees. I think they quoted around 70 or 80, and I'm sure if you get a lot of things they would go down even more, maybe 40 rupees. But yeah, I got these for 50 rupees. So in this store I paid 400 rupees for all these three accessories: the neck piece, these earrings, and even these stud earrings. So for all three of them I paid 400. And this particular store actually had really good collection in this type of earrings. They had multicolors, and they had different shapes and all that. And then I got some bangles. These were one of the stores, like carts actually, which was parked on the road, like one of those bundis. These are some basic bangles. They look really pretty though. And this one actually, the detailing and all is like okay, it is not that great, but overall when you wear them you really can't tell. That's the best part about these sort of accessories. I think I was probably wearing them in some of my videos or at least Instagram pictures. So they're very basic, and I got these for 80 rupees. They quoted around 100 or 120, I think 100 mostly. I think even 100 is actually a pretty good price. So yeah, you can see the detailing, it looks super pretty. But they look really pretty when worn, and especially I think they're great for college. Even if you're wearing like a basic kurta or like a plain white kurta, Lucknow kurtas and all that, I think these will look great. They actually will change up the whole look, and they'll give you that edge. And such accessories are really good for even an Indo-Western looks where you wear like a kurta on jeans and all that. So yeah, these are the accessories which I got this time, and I tried to keep it under budget, and I succeeded for a change. So I initially thought I'll do under 1000 kind of a video where I can even get a clothing piece, at least try to get a clothing piece. And one stall definitely had nice kurtas, I would say. They do have some pieces which I've seen even in General Bazaar, and the pricing is also decent. They were quoting around 600-700, and you can bargain quite a bit, like bring it down to around probably 350 or 450, which I think is a great price for an everyday kurta. Material is slightly transparent, and although that is great for like college or office use, I felt that after wash it might shrink, so I did not get myself that. So then I changed this into an under 500 challenge. So nevertheless, do check out these kurtas, and you can also check out the footwear stalls. I got one last time, it's actually pretty good, and even the ready-made blouses are quite nice. Dress materials, there's not a lot of variety. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you'd like me to do any such challenges or explore any other new markets. I would definitely love to go explore. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a like, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back with more such videos. So you're in for a lot of these exciting challenges, online shopping hauls, reviews, and even lookbooks. So hit that subscribe button. I'll also leave my Instagram handle here. You can connect with me there as well, and make sure to watch my Women's Day video and leave a comment there as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.